Alright. Uh, Hopefully you don't mind my face kind of being a mess, but, my face, I've always had acne, and that's, like, something, and dark eyelids, I'm planning on getting rid of those. Anyway, welcome. You might notice that there's some kind of change that's been around here, because now I brought this shelf in from the garage because we had to do work on the garage, and now the old shelf that used to be there is now in my closet. And now, sorry about that. Excuse me. Now, I also moved my area, my filming area, and my work area too, to closer to the door so that in case someone comes in, I can see them come in if I'm listening to music or not. Anyway, you knew this was coming because you saw this box when I pressed on the camera. So we're gonna open it. Actually, I kind of want it this way. Is it good? Is it good? Oh. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's gonna be like that. You know what? Yeah, you're gonna see me upside down when I film that. You know what? How about I just put it this way? Since the bottom is where the off button is, so I'm just gonna show you like this way. Um, oh, you can see my ceiling in the air vent. Package. Where, if I can find it, I did a lot of work in this room, so I can't find my hobby thing. I'm eventually going to get a pair of scissors soon. You know what? I'll just open it. I'll just open this package. Manually open this package. You know what? I have my art ruler. Let's try my ruler. This ruler that I got for Christmas. Let's see if that'll work. It does work. Okay. It does work. It does work. This is either the Hot Wheels mainline or the Matchbox Dodge Charger that I ordered. So I did not look to see what was delivered, so it'll be a surprise. Hopefully it's the Dodge Charger. Come out. Oh, Hot Wheels mainline. Hot Wheels mainline. Right here. Alright. I'm gonna open this up. By the way, I have not started the 2022 mainline yet. And there's a reason. Because I have a lot of plans. I'm working on things. I'm actually planning on having my first 2022 Hot Wheels model being something that's actually good. That's actually fantastic. Like the Toyota Tacoma that's out in the main line right now. Well, let's just do this way. That's coming out in the main line in the B or C case. That one is my favorite. One of the best ones. It's actually a really good looking car or truck. And then there's quite a bit of others as well. this right here is because I shaved. But if none of you care about what happens when I shave, we're cool. But the main line, I'm going to be very because like now I'm going to be like doing more of my buying purchases on the secondhand market. I'm going to be doing more. I'm going to be doing like be choosing my main lines wisely. If I find them in store, I will get some the ones I don't have. But I'm going to be very wise about what I do. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you around.